The Xhorse XP-005L Dolphin II and the CGDI Godzilla automatic key cutting machine are both top tier options for professional locksmiths, but they serve slightly different needs. The XP-005L stands out with its compact portable design, built-in rechargeable battery, and adjustable 5-inch touchscreen, making it ideal for mobile locksmiths. It supports a wide range of key types using its versatile M5 clamp and offers wireless connectivity via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, along with regular over-the-air software updates through the Xhorse app. In contrast, the CGDI Godzilla features a larger 1024 by 600 IPS display with a solid alloy build, making it a strong in-shop machine. While it lacks wireless capabilities and requires a constant power source, it still handles lasers, dimple, and standard edge keys efficiently. The Godzilla is also cheaper than the XP-005L. For locksmiths who prioritize portability and ease of use, the Dolphin II is the go-to, while those needing a reliable shop-based machine might prefer the Godzilla. No matter your choice, buying from Locksmith Keyless ensures you're getting authentic products backed by real locksmith expertise. Because we are not just a supplier, we are your partner in success. So shop now here at Locksmith Keyless. Give us a call at 305-629-9599 or visit us at locksmithkeyless.com, and make sure to follow and subscribe to Locksmith Keyless on social media for the latest video on deals, unboxing, tutorials. Stay up to date on any news, anything and everything key related by giving us a follow.